How to pin post to the top of Facebook page. Open the Facebook app. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. This is the menu button. Tap on those 3 lines to open the menu. In the menu, you'll see various options. Look for an arrow pointing to the right, usually next to your profile name. Tap on that arrow to expand more options. After expanding the menu, look for the option labeled My Page. It should be in the list that appears. Tap on My Page to go to your Facebook page. Now, you should see your page. Tap on your page profile. This might be your profile picture or name. To open your page in full view, scroll through your posts and find the post you want to pin to the top. Look at the top right corner of that post. You'll see 3 small dots stacked vertically. Tap on those 3 dots to open a menu with options related to the post. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Pin Post. Tap on Pin Post. Once you've tapped Pin Post, you'll see the post move to the top of your page. That's it. Your post is now pinned to the top, making it the first thing visitors will see when they visit your page. And that's how you pin a post to the top of your Facebook page. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.